Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we have presented top 50 general knowledge questions and answers related to India. So let's get started. Question 1. Satyamev Jayate in state emblem has been taken from. Here are the options. The answer is Mundaka Upanishad. Question 2. National anthem Jana Gana Mana was first sung at Congress session at Kolkata in which year? The answer is 1911. Question 3. There are how many number of spokes in the wheel in India's national flag? The answer is 24 spokes. Question 4. Saka calendar, also called the Shalivahana Shaka calendar, is used alongside the Gregorian calendar by the Gazette of India. Which is the first month of Saka calendar? The answer is Chaitra. Question 5. Dash contains laws, practices and conventions that apply to the display of the national flag of India. Here are the options. The correct answer is Flag Code of India 2002. Question 6. Which is the most populated state of India? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question 7. Which Indian state has the lowest population? The answer is Sikkim. Question 8. Which Indian state has the highest population density? The answer is Bihar. The population density in Bihar is 1102 per square kilometer. Question 9. Which union territory has the highest population density? The answer is Delhi. Question 10. Which Indian state has the lowest population density? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh, where the density is just 17 per square kilometer. Question 11. India covers land area of how many square kilometers? The correct answer is 32,87,263 square kilometers. Next question. India is the dash largest country by land area. The answer is 7th largest. Question 13. India does not share land borders with which country? The answer is Sri Lanka. Question 14. India's union territory, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, share maritime border with which countries? The correct answer is Thailand and Indonesia. Question 15. In terms of area, which is the largest state of India? The answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan's area is 3,42,239 square kilometer. Question 16. In terms of area, which is the smallest state of India? The answer is Goa. Goa's land area is 3,702 square kilometer. Next question. In terms of area, which is the largest union territory of India? The correct answer is Ladakh. Ladakh's land area is 96,701 square kilometer. Question 18. In terms of area, which is the smallest union territory of India? The answer is Lakshadweep, 32 square kilometer. Question 19. Which is the only Indian state with positive sex ratio? It means more females than males. Here are the options. The correct answer is Kerala, where there are 1084 females versus 1000 males. Question 20. Which Indian state has the lowest sex ratio? The answer is Haryana, where there are 879 females versus 1000 males. Question 21. Among the following, the population of followers of which religion is lowest in India? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Jainism. Question 22. After Hindi, which is the most spoken language in India? The answer is Bengali. Question 23. Which is the largest district in India? The answer is Kutch in Gujarat. Kutch district in Gujarat. Question 24. Haryana attained statehood in which year? The answer is year 1966. Question 25. Jharkhand, Uttarakhand and Chhattisgarh were formed in which year? Correct answer is year 2000. Question 26. Nongkram dance is the religious dance festival of which state? The correct answer is Meghalaya. Question 27. Kalinga in older days is now known as? The answer is Odisha. Question 28. Which state contributes maximum to the central pool of wheat? Here are the options. The correct answer is Punjab. Moving on to the next question. Which state was admitted to the Indian Union in year 1975? The correct answer is Sikkim. Question 30. Which state is the top contributor to India's gross domestic product, that is GDP? The answer is Maharashtra. Question 31. India's first ocean thermal energy conversion project is coming up in? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Kavaratti in Lakshadweep. Moving on to the next question. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is Gujarat. Question 33. Which Indian state shares borders with Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh? Here are the options. The correct answer is West Bengal. Question 34. Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab share their borders with which neighboring country? The answer is Pakistan. Question 35. How much percent of land is covered by forests in India? Correct answer is 21.7%. Question 36. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question 37. Which state ranks first in terms of forest cover as percentage of total geographical area? The answer is Mizoram, where nearly 86% of the geographical area is under forest cover. Question 38. Till 1961, Goa was under the occupation of? The answer is Portuguese. Question 39. Gairsen is the summer capital of which Indian state? Answer is Uttarakhand. Question 40. Bodh Gaya, which is the most important Buddhist pilgrimage site, is located in? The answer is Bihar. Next question. Which is India's highest peacetime military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from battlefield? The answer is Ashok Chakra. Next question. Lakshadweep Islands are nearest to which state? The correct answer is Kerala. Question 43. India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, was first awarded in which year? The correct answer is 1954. Question 44. National Song of India, Vande Mataram, has been written by? The answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 45. Election Commission of India was formed in which year? The answer is 1950. Year 1950. Question 46. How many high courts are there in India? The answer is 25. There are 25 high courts in India. Question 47. Who has been the longest serving Prime Minister of India? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. He served as India's Prime Minister for 16 years and 286 days. Question 48. Which among the following is the longest written constitution of any country in the world? The answer is Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country. Question 49. India's capital New Delhi lies on the floodplains of which river? The answer is Yamuna River. Question 50. This will be the last question. India is a federal union comprising how many states and union territories? The correct answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. That's it, friends. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.